but those permissions are essentially there. So we've got our AWS account set up. As I said, we installed Terraform. We've got our configured credentials. Again, those would have to have permission to work with those resources, depending on, again, the resources that I'm looking at using. And then once that is kind of done, I have this ability to run some of these commands, that we're talking about. So the idea of initializing the folder, installing the modules that are required, the idea of validating my individual code, in this case, the main .tf code that I showed you. And then from there, applying and showing and so on, whatever we need to do for this particular application. And this application, of course, is our Terraform instance itself. So the Terraform essentially apply will allow us to then apply this instance to our remote operations and have something deployed into AWS. It's the simplest way to do it today. It's not the only way, as I said earlier. There are certainly other things that we can do when it comes to working with Terraform and having Terraform interact with our operations. But essentially, we have the ability to run this